We were doing the animal kingdom and we were doing the invertebrates. So, continuing with the different types of invertebrates, today we will be doing phylum Annelida, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, and phylum Echinodermata. Members of phylum Annelida are generally found in moist soil and pond water. They have a very soft and cylindrical body. They are bilaterally symmetrical. I have already explained the term bilaterally symmetrical. Let me explain it once more. Bilaterally symmetrical means the body can be divided into two identical halves through only one plane. That means you can divide the body into two identical halves through one plane. They have a body cavity, that means inside the body there is a cavity. Their body is segmented. Now, segmented means they have small ring like marks on their body. If you see the picture of the earthworm, you'll find that it has got fine lines on its body. So, these are known as segments. The word annelida comes from the Greek word annulus, which means ring. So, the members of phylum Annelida, one of the most important characteristics is the ring-like compartments called segments. And these segments help them to move. So, the segmented body or the segments help the members of Annelida in movement. Another very special characteristic of the members of phylum Annelida are they have special organs for excretion. Excretion means removal of waste products from the body, and these special organs are called nephridia. So, members of phylum Annelida have special organs for excretion called nephridia. Examples of phylum Annelida are earthworm and leech. The next phylum is phylum Arthropoda. Arthropods are found everywhere in air, on land, in ponds, and in oceans. The body of arthropods is segmented into or divided into three regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. See the picture. You will see that the body is divided into three regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The body has six jointed legs. Okay, the word arthropoda comes from the word arthro and podus, which means jointed legs. So, members of arthropoda have jointed legs. The body of arthropods, they have a tough outer covering called exoskeleton. So they have skeleton outside their body. That is why exoskeleton. Exo meaning outside. Arthropods have compound eyes, okay, and their image, compound eye means one eye is composed of many fine small eyes. The image formed in arthropods is formed in several pieces, and this type of vision is called mosaic vision. So they have compound eyes which consist of very small many eyes, and in each eye a different image is formed, and this type of vision is known as mosaic vision. Phylum Arthropoda is subdivided into four classes. The first class is class Arachnida, which consists of scorpions and spiders. Next class is class Crustacea, which consists of lobsters and shrimps. Class Crustacea. Third class is Myriapods, which consists of centipedes and millipedes. Class Myriapods. The fourth class, which is the most common one, is class Insecta, which consists of ants, beetles, honeybees, and butterflies. So, all the members of phylum Arthropoda are not insects. Remember, spiders are not insects. They belong to class Arachnida. Lobsters and shrimps are not insects, they belong to class Crustacea. Centipedes and millipedes are not insects, they belong to class Myriapods, whereas class Insecta consists of ants, beetles, honeybees, and butterflies. The next phylum is phylum Mollusca. They are soft bodied shelled animals. Mollusks have a soft, unsegmented body. They consist of an outer hard shell. Some mollusks have a single shell like a snail. Some have two shells like oysters. And some mollusks, such as octopus and squid, have shell inside their body. The next phylum is phylum Echinodermata, also known as spiny skinned animals. Echinoderms have an unsegmented body. They, they do not have any head, and the body has five radial arms with sharp spines all over it. They have a mouth on the lower side and anus on the upper side of the body. They move with the help of tube like feet, and each foot has a sucker at the end which helps them to capture and hold the prey. Examples of echinoderms are starfish. So, with this, we finished the classification of invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone. They are subdivided into 8 phylum: phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nematoda, phylum Annelida, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, and phylum Echinodermata. We did each phylum in detail along with the examples. Thank you, everyone.